Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your November 2020 monthly reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. All right, so let's see what is there for my Taurus in the month of November 2020. Let's see. For my Taurus, please. So it's a little cozy over here. It's really, the winters are entering and it's really feeling good. Okay, and yes, lots and lots of thanks to everyone, because without you it couldn't be possible. You know, I have reached 1000 subscribers and it's really huge for me. It's really big and I'm really grateful to everyone. Really, thank you so much. Okay, let's see now what's there for my Taurus. So at the back of the deck we have Two of Cups and the Tower. All right, oh my god, two very different energies over here. It's Two of Cups is in your side, I'm getting, and the Tower is in your person's side. Okay, so it's like you are entering in a mode of dating someone. You might be dating, or you might be, yeah, it's really different, Taurus. It's like you are getting involved with someone and that someone is already like ending up things. Okay, let's see, what is this? Okay. Okay, so I'm really getting that. Okay, so with whom you are dating, this person might be married with someone else. Okay, it can happen over here in this reading of yours, because it's really, you know, it is like you really like this person, but it's like a burden for you, because this person might be involved with someone else and it's like a burden you are carrying in your heart, and it's like it's really not enough, because this person has to end some things to come to you before, you know, whatever this is, he or she has to just let go of the past and then has to move on with you. He or she really has to move on. Okay, because you are, I'm getting with the Temperance over here, you are more in that zone where you want that peace, you want to rest, you don't want a lot of collisions, and you want that if this person is yours, you want him or hers to be yours. You don't want that to share this person. Obviously nobody wants it, but this person is already sharing his or her happiness with someone else, and it is like it's not your cup of tea, and that is why you are not happy with this thing. You are not feeling really good about it, because it's like a burden right now. This person has to just let go of the past. With the Five of Cups, I'm getting that, you know, this is like heartbreaking moment where he has to leave the family with he or she is with right now, or he or she has to just come towards you, or if this person is not involved in some kind of a marriage or something, but involved with someone else, or more giving priority to the family, which is not you, of course. So this is like a really big problem for you, because you are like, you are giving your everything, you are giving like your like psychology, and you know, emotionally you are involved with this person, but this person is not so much involved. This is more about like, okay, I'm just, it's like you know, in a very nutshell, I would say it's like a casual relationship. This person is taking this thing, but it's not you. Taurus, don't do this. With the Ten of Swords, I'm getting that, sorry, with the Wheel of Fortune, This is like you knew this. I don't know, but I'm really getting this feeling, this vibe over here that you knew that something is going to happen. Something, this person like is already leaving the situation with someone. Okay, it's like that. It's like it's the wheel turning. You felt really good. Two of Cups also tell us that sometimes it's just a temporary relationship, but it also tells us that it was really good. The time spent, the both of you spend the time. The time was really good. It was like, okay, I really had a really good time with you, and we both are moving on in our paths. So I'm really getting that both of you are really moving on different paths. See this person, it's you who is moving towards this, and this person is leaving the situation. So that is what I'm really getting over here. It's like both of you are really opposites. Not in the same direction right now. The future cards are telling me Seven of Cups with the Knight of Swords. So this person, the more fast this person has come to you, has come towards you, it's like the more fast they're leaving now. So that is what the Knight of Swords, they just come and go really quickly, and it's like really quickly and really fast, and it's like everything happens in like really in a short span of time. So, and it's like you left confused, and that is what I'm seeing in future. This person is like going away. It's like ending the relationship, ending the bond with you, and you were left confused, like what happened, what exactly happened. I didn't expect this thing to happen, and why does this happen? Okay, because this person is just a knight. Okay, so you are dealing with a Knight of Swords over here, my dear Taurus. A very mature personality, just like a very casual relationship, not really involved in anything. Okay, already in some past trauma, already dealing with some past issues, and it's like when you are just a crying shoulder for them. So that is what it is. The advice for you, Taurus, with the four of Pentacles with the Death. It's like stop holding on. Okay, you're holding on to this person. You cannot just hold on to someone. Okay, you cannot just be like, I will not let this thing go. You have to let go of this person, because the ending is already here with the Death. I'm really getting that the ending, it's more like an ending. It's the ending is here. You shouldn't just hold on to this person, whosoever this thing is, because this person was just like come and go kind of a relationship this with this person. And it's like they just disbalanced all the positive energies which you just obtained from from meditating, from doing yoga. It was like this, the Temperance. I'm seeing that you have that balance in you, and this person just left you unbalanced. Yes, that is what it is over here, Taurus. Let's see, what do we have? Nine of Wands. Yes, you are tired, but still you are standing. You're ready to fight for this person. You're ready for everything. You're ready. It's like being a fool. I'm really getting with the fool, as it's like being a fool. Okay, it's not the fool meaning is not you're a fool, but I'm really getting today it is, you're feeling that you were just fooled by someone, and it's like you were standing, you were happy when you were together. Of course you were happy, but it's like it's nowhere. Okay, it's going nowhere now. Six of Pentacles. Yeah, it's a give and take relationship, my dear Taurus. See how beautiful this card is. A relationship is it's like a give and take relationship. You have to, if you are giving love to someone, that is what you expect in return. Okay, and when you don't get anything in return, it's like avoid relationship. It does not count. King of Swords, Justice, and Eight of Swords. See, when the universe is telling you with these three cards, King of Swords, Justice, and Eight of Swords, it's like the ending. It's like you are really not able to balance. You wanted to balance your energies, and what the other person did was just disbalanced your energies and left you nowhere. It's like you are feeling like you were trapped in a relationship, in a toxic relationship. No, I won't call it a toxic relationship. It was more of a very beautiful, dating kind of a relationship, because the last card was the Two of Cups. So it was like you enjoyed being together, but some enjoyment, some things are really temporary sometimes. And it's like, you just have to let go of some things. And they were like, it was really good being together, but for how much time you can be in the same situation. All right, so that is all from it side, Taurus. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.